today, me and Bumble's dad,
hello,
we're going to be changing the brake lines. We're going to try and change the brake lines for Hel braided hoses. Come forward, I'll show you what we're going to do. So if you can see down there, we're going to be removing that, and then there, and then if you come down to here, so obviously these come off here. Now let me just take that a second. There's a union pipe in there that we suspect we may have problems with due to some forum posts with it not fitting, but we'll find out, won't we, Dad?
we will.
You've got that syringe, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use one of mine there.
Let's get it done. I wonder if I stick it in that hole, it'll suck any from the pipes.
Probably not.
No. Just held them into place with this, but yeah, like that. It's bubbling, well, I can't see anything coming through the pipe. Okay. So these need to come off because they need to go on the new one.
Yep. So what we've got to do now is see if
Right, now what we're going to do is take this off. I'm going to measure this distance first. Do they look like they line up like that? So these might line up okay, but the trouble is, apparently these. So what we're going to do...
What's the problem then? These?
Once you put these in there,
Yeah.
it pushes them apart further than these. I suppose I really need to measure. Oh, I should do the whole
That's
thing.
not bad.
So 5 and 5.5. The red one. So I'm just going to get it like that for now, so we can feel if it hits the floor. But the thing is, Dad, we haven't tightened these up very well.
No, we don't want to tighten them yet, do we? Because we might not have the right angle of that pipe.
Yeah,
And we won't know until we try and position it back onto the bike.
No, well, let's try that then. Let's try and position it.
So,
I can't see from here. Oh, this has got to come up from the front.
yeah.
Oh, maybe
That bit you've got there.
it's got to come up like this. Yeah, so what I'm going to try and do is get one of the screws in. Right, obviously won't go finger tight because of the plastic. So I'm going blind here.
Yeah.
So problem is, when you got this one in,
You can't get that one in.
that's too long
And
with the...
If you get that one in,
You won't get the other one in.
so I would say
We're buggered. Nothing's happening. A quick mid-video update on one of the best customer service experiences I've had probably ever. I called Hel Performance. I explained the problem. They are going to send me a set of the double race lines. That's where you've got 2 coming off of the banjo, free of charge. I did not even have to return the old ones, or the ones that I'm fitting in this video. They are also going to investigate if they need to remove that item from their website. It was a really good, friendly chat, and we ended up talking about motorbikes for about 40 minutes. So a massive, massive thumbs up to Hel Performance. Now back to the video. So we're going to try a bodger job, and we're going to try and drill like a millimetre bigger there and the same there.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, once it's in, it will hold it in place. So let me go and get the drill. You're all right.
Something special. Like this.
Oops. So what we've done is given ourselves a bit of wiggle room here, hoping that will allow it to fit. So I'm making a kind of oblongy.
Yeah.
Not oblong, whatever.
Is it right?
It's completely gone through there. Bloody difference at all. So let's put that on. Go in there. No, it hasn't. It's still out of line. So the drilling might have helped.
I can actually turn this in with nothing. Right, it's on but not tightened yet.
Yeah, it's alright. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Well, me and Dad couldn't do it, so James is assisting us. Is that nice and tight?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you. So after a lot of fluff and flaff and the drills and the drolls, we got them on. And now we're going to bleed the brakes.
Yeah, don't tell me. You like drinking brake fluid, but you can stop any time.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to stop now.
Okay. So we've bled it through about 3 times, and they're crap. Or better.
That's no good. I had a right angle piece, but it don't fit.
So of course it's pissing it down. What it was. See if that forces some air out. We'll give it another go in a bit. Let it through 3 times. Hell. So hopefully we've done it. At the moment I've got this cable tie on here, just to kind of see there, because they seemed a bit spongy. So I'm going to leave that for a bit. Then we go for a test ride. Now the biggest flaff was, believe it or not, the mudguard. Couldn't get these back on here. As you know, we've cleaned up, we made extra holes there to make these Hel Lines fit, because that was a hell of a job, get it? And these here, I think you can see. There, there you go, that is there. So I made the holes bigger there on both sides, so they fitted. Bled the brakes a few times, and hopefully, we'll see. I'm going to go for a test ride now. They got E5, 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 yep. 97, I prefer Shell. I have a 99 octane. Never mind. Oh, these brakes are sharper. Now, the biggest test will be tomorrow, because I've had it where they start off good and then they go soft, to the point where I had to keep a cable tie around them when I wasn't riding the bike to keep that. Now, if that happens again, it obviously means that it wasn't the brake lines causing that issue. Now, I did change these not just for that issue, but also to improve the braking. But of course, if there is that issue, then it's something else, and there's only two things left. Either the master cylinder that I rebuilt is being a pain, or there's an issue with the calipers themselves. But we'll see. I noticed one thing: I can two-finger brake again. I'd literally gone back to old school 4 fingers on this because they were so bad, and back to 2 fingers without even thinking about it. Excellent. Yeah. No doubt in the comments below, lots of people say I should have got those racing 2 lines, but as I said, or as I did say, but yes, I should have done. But I didn't know. I saw these, and it was for the right year, it's for this and that, and I didn't even look at considering that. I don't know why I put the sat-nav on. I've completely ignored it. I'm going to do a video soon about Kalimoto, because I went for the test trial, the free trial, and then forgot to cancel in time. So I ended up paying the year, so I'm going to bloody well get some use out of it. Well, I did do a ride the other day, and it really gave me some amazing alternative routes. So how are we doing? Any leaks? No? Seems a little bit damp around here. Level's good. Okay. When we get home, we'll see if there's any weeping. I'm not sure if that's weeping or if it's just from what was there before. Okay. Just curious to see if Kalimoto will take me home a different way. So, presuming there's no leakage and everything's dry and nice when I get back, and tomorrow they haven't gone floppy in the night and spongy, then I think I finally have achieved good brakes. Oh, look at that. Stops like a dream now. Right, with that, I might as well say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that YouTubey stuff. Thank you. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye. 'Cause I've been living life